This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the image in your chosen editor and confirming the file type. This matters because JPG flattens layers while PSD keeps them. You unlock the background layer or duplicate it so you can revert changes, and then create a new text layer rather than painting text onto pixels. Once done, select a readable font and size to match the image scale. Make sure text color contrasts with the background so readability is preserved. Now, type your replacement text on a fresh text layer and move it into place with the Move tool. You want alignment that follows existing composition lines. Apply layer styles like drop shadow or stroke to imitate original depth, and adjust opacity to blend. If the picture has perspective, use transform or warp to match the angle. You can also sample nearby colors and apply a subtle noise filter to match texture. Make incremental tweaks until the new text looks native to the image. To finish, hide any helper guides, then rasterize only if you need pixel editing and save a working file copy. Export a final version in the appropriate format, PNG for transparency or JPG for smaller files. If the text still stands out, check 3 things: font family for style, color for local lighting, and layer effects for depth. Adjust those specifically. If problems persist, undo to the saved working file and repeat the matching steps rather than starting from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.